whether it will be top 1, top 2 and top 5, top 10, I will be happy in all about that. Whatever I got, I will be satisfied.
अब क्या अचीव करना चाह रही है नव्या?
My aim is become to be a US CPA. So US CPA is like equivalent to CA. There is a CA who works for audit, accounting, and many more. So like, and they also do accounting in rupees. But my aim is to become US CPA, which is I will do in the America. I'm not saying that scrolling reels is bad, but yeah, you have to manage your time and.
बिहार विद्यालय परीक्षा समिति पटना के गेट के सामने, और यहाँ देख सकते हैं एक छात्रा है जिनके पेरेंट्स भी है, जो अभी इंटरव्यू देके आई है, टॉपर इंटरव्यू देके आई है। क्या नाम है आपका?
नव्या कुमारी।
नव्या। नव्या, मिठाई का डब्बा हाथ में लिए हैं, कौन दिए हैं?
जो अंदर टीचर्स एंड सर एंड जो भी बैठे थे उन्होंने ये दिया।
कहाँ से आए आप?
महाराजगंज एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट सिवान एंड माय विलेज इज लाइक पटेरा।
पटेरा। तो क्या लगता है, मतलब टॉपर वेरिफिकेशन में आपका नाम है या इंटरव्यू दिया, अंदर गए तो फिर क्या लगा आपको? क्या क्या पूछा गया?
Earlier I felt so nervous and I was also a little panic, but then I entered अंदर जब मैं गई, then वहाँ पे like और भी there are so many students, then I talked to them and I feel like little less nervous and some like little happy because there are so many students who work very hard to reach this level. And also for the Bihar, this is a very big achievement that all students are working very hard for themselves to make their parents proud. And so after this, I felt so happy and also so excitement, and also my parents. After the news of topper verification, when I got a call from the board office, my parents were so much happy about that. Then I told my whole family, as I have joint family, so they were all happy and giving me so much blessing that you will good you will good on your interview too. So and also in morning when I want to came here, so in morning I got little. I think my mom ate me some sweets, which is good for the any types. So they all believed in a ritual that will be good for wherever you are going to something big. And also so all this about
it। अच्छा, आपके पेरेंट्स क्या करते हैं?
my father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife.
आपकी पढ़ाई जो स्टार्टिंग हुई थी वो किस बोर्ड, बिहार बोर्ड से हुई थी या सीबीएसई से?
CBSE, yeah, CBSE from. I studied from the LKG, not nursery, because I was like a little too much intelligent in my childhood. So yeah, so I didn't study nursery. I just start from the LKG, and I was a good student also. But after the 8th class, I was little too. I became so average because there was also lockdown and COVID.
Navya, your confidence is very high.
Oh, thank you so much. That a huge compliment. Thank you.
Bihar board topper list first.
Yeah, I can expect that, but let's see what will happen. I don't know right now.
Don't know, मतलब कुछ तो पता होगा कि टॉपर में फर्स्ट आने वाली हो कि सेकंड, टॉप 5, टॉप 10, टॉप 1.
Okay, whether it will be top 1, top 2 and top 5, top 10, I will be happy in all about that. Whatever I got, I will be satisfied.
Satisfied.
Yeah.
मैट्रिक में कितने परसेंटेज आए थे?
मैट्रिक में it was on average ही था.
एवरेज
Yeah.
कितना? हम इसलिए पूछ रहे हैं कि लोग जो जिनका मैट्रिक में कम नंबर आता है वो थोड़े से डिमोटिवेट हो जाते हैं।
No, you should not have to be demotivated because in my when I was in the 10th, there was not much good result. There average ही आया था. But when I took after commerce stream, then I studied very hard and also focus on my study and some basic concepts where our teachers should teach in the class 11th. And then after that, I just focused on my study.
नंबर 10th नंबर।
I am sorry, but I don't want to tell this.
मतलब इसलिए
But it was average, I can say that. Not good.
नॉट गुड,
Not very good. It was good, but not very good.
अच्छा, नंबर जो है क्या है? एक स्टूडेंट का अगर एग्जाम होता है, नंबर आता है, किसी का 400 आ गया, किसी का 500 आ गया, जैसे किसी का मैट्रिक में 280 आ गया, ठीक है, इंटर में उसको 450 आ गया, तो नंबर क्या है?
Number, see, It is a reality. Like how do you study? It depends on how do you study. If you study like being as a consistent student and focus on your main topics and basic topics, then like you can achieve your scores. But the students who scored 250, I don't mean to say that they are at like bad at like study. But yeah, if they can if they try so hard and so they can achieve in any numbers they want.
अब क्या अचीव करना चाह रही है नव्या?
My aim is become to be a US CPA. So US CPA is like equivalent to CA, but but in India there is a CA who works for audit, accounting, and many more. So like, and they also do accounting in rupees because they are doing in India. But my aim is to become US CPA, which is I will do in the America. I can say that, but now America बहुत ज़्यादा लड़ रहा है. But I hope in future Donald Trump ना रहे, then it will be benefit for me. So
इंडिया छोड़ के अमेरिका जाना है?
yeah, I can do CPA in India too, but yeah, there is so much benefit if I do CPA in the America.
अमेरिका?
Yeah.
बचपन से ये कैसी पढ़ाई में थी?
बचपन से ही बहुत अच्छी थी,
अच्छी थी।
बहुत अच्छी थी। थोड़ा मैट्रिक में कम मन लगाई थी, लेकिन फिर अपन 11 से फिर अच्छा हो।
तो मैट्रिक में कम नंबर आया था तो क्या आपका कॉन्फिडेंस जो है लो हुआ था या एवरेज है?
नहीं, confidence to learn it because I knew it. Like I didn't study that much. If I did, then obviously scores बहुत अच्छे आते. But then I decided to now I have to focus on my career because if I do only focus on distracts on social media, there will be the loss for me. But yeah, I want to achieve something in my future, and also I want to make my parents proud. So that's why I like start to work hard, and then I took the commerce stream as I like the business and finance. I'm interested in.
इंटरेस्टेड। अच्छा, नव्या घर का खाना वाना बनाती है या सिर्फ पढ़ाई करती है?
नहीं,
कुछ नहीं
कुछ
करती है?
नहीं, बस इसको पढ़ाई पर फोकस करना है।
बचपन से ही मतलब पढ़ने में तेज थी?
हाँ, शुरू से ही।
अच्छा, मैट्रिक में आपने कहा कि एवरेज नंबर आया था, मतलब कम नंबर आए थे, थोड़े कम नंबर आए थे, तो आपने इनको कैसे मोटिवेट किया था?
हम बोले थे कि अब मैंने आगे से तुम शुरू से बहुत अच्छी थी और मैट्रिक में मैंने थोड़ा तुम मैंने ये हो गई हो, तो अब 11 से तुम अपना फिर शुरू वाला अपना
शुरू वाला करो, जो
पहचान बनाओ।
यू LKG से जो स्टार्ट की थी वो पढ़ाई फिर से लाओ।
हाँ, फिर अपना पहचान 11 से शुरू करो जो शुरू में थी।
शुरू में थी सोशल मीडिया का उपयोग कर रही थी, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर?
I use like Instagram in class 9, 10. इसीलिए that's why I'm saying right. I focus on too much like social media and there's so much distraction in my life. Then I quit all of these and then I focused on like my class 11th and class 12.
इंस्टाग्राम के लाइक व्यूज के चक्कर में आप 9th में पढ़ गए थे और 10th
No, it's not like that. I was making a reel. I was so interested in this scrolling reels, but then I like मैंने quit कर दिया। सब मेरे फोन में भी Instagram डिलीट भी हो गया है।
जो छात्र छात्राएं अभी इंस्टाग्राम के चक्कर में पड़े हैं, सोशल मीडिया पे जो सिर्फ रील स्क्रॉल करते रहते, किताबें कम देखते हैं, तो उनको क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
I want to say all that reels scrolling is not that bad if you manage your time. But yeah, there is it became a habit because if you start doing it only reels scrolling, then it will be it will waste your so much time. And also आपकी जो studies आप जो कर रहे हो, suppose there are many students who wants to become doctor, engineer and CA, I can say that. So आप अगर ये चीज सोच रहे हो तो then अगर आप सिर्फ reels scroll करोगे तो then उस चीज से आपका ध्यान हट के सिर्फ reels पे ही और Instagram पे ही आ जाएगा. I am not saying that scrolling reels is bad, but yeah, you have to manage your time and being so consistent about your
ऐसे
studies.
कहना है कि रील स्क्रॉल नहीं करिए, रील बना भी सकते, क्रिएट करिए लेकिन स्क्रॉल नहीं करिए।
I don't think so. I don't think so. मेरे को इस बात पे कोई कमेंट करना चाहिए because like मैं reels नहीं बनाती.
अब आते हैं पढ़ाई पे। आपकी पढ़ाई जो है इंटर की कहाँ से हुई, किस कोचिंग से हुई? क्योंकि अभी देख रहे हैं बड़े बड़े कोचिंग संस्थान यहाँ पे आए हैं अपने स्टूडेंट को लेकर।
I studied through like self studies and also online classes, and I'm from Gorak Singh College, which is Maharajan Siwan. So I sometimes joined college too. There were so much good teachers who taught me about business study, accountancy, and many more. But my main focus was the self study. The students who said that self study is not sufficient, but guys, you are wrong, because self study is very important for like the studies. Because of the self studies, I am here. You can see that I am here at the front of board office because of self study. So there is nothing wrong about the self study. You don't even have to do tuition and all, because I didn't do that. If I want to tell
इस मौके पे अपने मम्मी पापा को क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
for my parents, I just want to say that like I'm really so, if I tell the truth, I am so happy. Then मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को like इतना मैंने प्राउड फील करवाया एंड मैं यहाँ पे आई. बट आई एम हैप्पी मोर अबाउट दैट माई पेरेंट्स आर सो मच हैप्पी एंड प्राउड ऑफ मी देन द your topper verification. I am happy more than about more about them than this.
थैंक यू नव्या.
Thank you so much.